Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into establishment. 11 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Formation. Which means the action of forming or process of being formed. Formation. For example, the formation of a new government. Number 2. Creation. Which means the action of investing someone with a title of nobility. Creation. For example, Edward's generosity extended beyond the creation of earls. Number 3. Construction. Which means the action of building something, typically a large structure. Construction. For example, there was a skyscraper under construction. Number 4. Start. Which means the point in time or space at which something has its origin. Start. For example, we were present at the start of the event. Number 5. Initiation. Which means the action of admitting someone into a secret or obscure society or group, typically with a ritual. Initiation. For example, rituals of initiation. Number 6. Inauguration. Which means the beginning or introduction of a system, policy, or period. Inauguration. For example, the inauguration of the Modern Art Museum. Number 7. Installation. Which means a military or industrial establishment. Installation. For example, a local army installation. Number 8. Inception. Which means the establishment or starting point of an institution or activity. Inception. For example, the inception of the EEC in 1958. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.